Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how do you know when to harvest your tomatoes? So let's get right into the video. Depending on the types of tomatoes that you have in your garden will depend on when you get to pick them. The date on the back of the seed package is just an estimate. First off, cherry tomatoes become ripe way sooner than your average large eating slicer tomato. These little cherry tomatoes usually have a shorter harvest date, and they are the first that you get to enjoy out of your garden. Second, we also have these grape tomatoes. Now, typically people don't pick green tomatoes. This variety, however, is Brad's Atomic Grape. It does have green hints in the pigment of the skin, so this is actually a very ripe tomato versus one of these dark strawberry cherry tomatoes, which has a red pink underside and a purple top. However, when they're not ready to be picked, they have this green instead of red with the purple top, and then they slowly start to go pink with green hints until they are completely pink and red. With these giant slicers, it's a little different. They start to ripen from this bottom to the top. When you see, some people have various opinions on when to pick your perfect tomato. I prefer to let them ripen on the vine unless we are going to get a huge rainstorm. Like today, we are going to get a huge rain, so I'm picking the ones that have started blushing, as you can see, but still have green. This one is Berkeley Pink Tie-Dye, so it does have green hints in it when it is fully ripe. What we want to avoid is this cracking. So this cracking happened last night in a giant thunderstorm. We got a whole bunch of rain and the tomatoes obviously couldn't handle the amount of water. So it can happen where you have cracking and some damage. Unfortunately, I'm still going to use this up to your discretion of what you're going to use and what you won't. I'm going to be making a sauce, so it's all okay. But yeah, there's varying degrees. So you can pick your tomatoes green. Some people use them in fried green tomatoes that they will put on toast or eat with some meat. But if you're picking a tomato perfect for eating just in your salad, this is what you kind of want. You don't want it overripe where it's squishy, but you want it completely the color that it's supposed to be, whether that's red, yellow, or orange. Now, you may run into cap face blossoming, which is what happens here with this tomato. There's actually a couple different tomatoes here, and they all ripen at different times. What happens is the blossom fuses together in multiple blossoms and fuses multiple tomatoes all together. So this one is completely ripe, this one is completely ripe, but this one, however, is not. So I will actually leave this on the counter and let this ripen. If I find that this one is not ripening and these two are becoming too ripe, then I will eat half of the tomato and maybe put that rest in the compost. Now, when your tomato becomes too ripe, it will become squishy to the touch. The top may crack. It may also just fall off the plant because the amount of weight that is carrying on that stem is too much, and the flavor might be diluted if it's overripe. So make sure you pick your tomatoes at the perfect time. The best points to pick for cherry tomatoes is once the end of here starts to become red, yellow, orange, purple, whatever color it is supposed to be depending on the type of tomato you have. Once it at least is at the top, that's when you want to pick your tomatoes. So that's how you'll know when they are perfect for fresh eating or when you want to put them in a salad. Also, you can definitely dehydrate these cherry tomatoes so that you can enjoy them in the winter time. So I really hope you guys found this video helpful so you know when to pick your tomatoes for the perfect harvest and optimal taste. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.